Good morning, dear students. Hope you are all doing good. Welcome to 6th day's maths lesson in AP. Let us look at the sums we solved yesterday. We were solving previous year question papers. First, we found common difference when general form of an AP is given. An is equal to 2n minus 1. Find common difference D. For that one, we need any two successive terms, consecutive terms. We found A1 and A2. A1 we got 3, A2 we got 5. Therefore, D is equal to 5 minus 3, 2. I hope you all understood. Next, in an AP, 5 plus 8 plus 11 so on, we found sum of 10 terms using formula. In that AP, you can find A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3 and N is equal to 10. When we substitute all these values in Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D, we got 5 into 37, 185. Next, there are 5 terms in an AP. Sum of these terms is 55. Fourth term is 5 more than sum of first 2 terms. Find the terms of AP. S5 is 55. A4 is equal to A1 plus A2 plus 5. We have to find the terms of AP. When A is not known, D is not known, only N is known, we have to write AP as A plus D plus A plus 2D plus A plus 3D plus A plus 4D is equal to 55. When we simplify that equation, we will get one equation, A plus 2D is equal to 11. Then we looked at another relation, A4 is equal to A1 plus A2 plus 5. We got equation A plus 3D is equal to 2A plus D plus 5. When we simplify that one, A minus 2D is equal to minus 5. We named it as equation 2. When we solved those two simultaneous equations, we got A is equal to 3, D is equal to 4. Then the AP is 3, 7. Next, is it 14 or 15? It should be how much? 15. Make correction there. 3, 7, 11, 15. Next, in an AP, sixth term is 1 more than twice the third term. Sum of fourth and fifth term is 5 times the second term. Find the 10 terms of, find the 10th term of AP. Let us write relation. A6 is equal to 2 times A3 plus 1. Another relation, A4 plus A5 is equal to 5 into A2. When we solve the first one, we got first equation, A minus D is equal to minus 1. In second one, we will get 3A is equal to 2D. Or A is equal to 2 by 3 into D. Let us substitute A is equal to 2 by 3D in A minus D is equal to minus 1. Then we got value of D. Then when we substitute A is equal to 2 by 3D, value of D as 3, we got A is equal to 2. Then we are asked to find 10th term. 10th term is denoted as A10. Using A a plus n minus 1 into d, 10 minus 1 is 9, 9d. A plus 9d you have to substitute. When you substituted, we got the value 29. Next, one general term of an AP is 24 minus 3n. Second term is 24 minus 3 into 2 is 18. Then we solve sum. Find the sum of 20 terms of 2 plus 7 plus 12, so on. What is the value of A? 2. What is the value of D? 5. N is equal to 20. What you are asked to find? S 20. We got S 20 is equal to 10 into 19 into 5. 10 into 99. It is 990. Last sum we did yesterday. Answer is how much? 990. Now we will start today's first sum. You all should copy the question. The seventh term of an AP is 4 times its second term. 4 times its second term. 12th term is 2 more than 12th term is 2 more than 3 times of its fourth term. 12th term is 2 more than 3 times of its fourth term. Find AP. Copied? Now we will write equation. Read the first sentence. Seventh term is denoted as A7. 4 times means 4 into second term A2. A7 is equal to 4 into A2. Next, 12th term is A12 is equal to 2 more than, that means you have to add 2 plus 3 times its fourth term. 3 times means 3 into fourth term means A4. A12 is equal to 2 plus 3 into A4. Completed? Now, using A plus n minus 1 into D, 7 minus 1 is how much? 6D. A2 will be A plus D only. We will get equation A plus 6D is equal to 4 into A plus D. Multiply 4 inside the bracket, you will get 4A plus 4D. Then shift 4D to left hand side, A to right hand side. 4A minus A is 3A, 6D minus 4D is 2D. 2D is equal to 3A. D is equal to 3A. Now another equation. A12 will become A plus 11D, A4 will become A plus 3D. Then the equation is A plus 11D is equal to 2 plus 3 into A plus 3D. Use bracket for A plus 3D. Then multiply 3 to the terms inside the bracket. 3 into a is 3a, 3 3s are 9d. Then read the equation. A plus 11d is equal to 2 plus 3a plus 9d. Now d terms in one side, a terms in another side. Since 11 is bigger, 9 is smaller, we will shift 9 to left hand side. Right hand side 3a minus a and plus 2. 2 as it is in the place. 2d is equal to 2a plus 2. Here also 2d is equal to 3a. Here also 2d is equal to 2a plus 2. So shall I assume 3a is equal to 2a plus 2? 2d cancels, so 3a is equal to a plus 2. Shift a to left hand side, 3a minus 2a is equal to 2, a is equal to 2. A is equal to 2, got it? Now, from the equation 2d is equal to 3a, in place of a we will write 2. 3 2s are how much? 6. 2d is equal to 6. D is equal to 6 by 2, that is nothing but 3. A value how much? 2. D value how much? 3. Can you write AP? 2, 5, 8, next 11, then continues. Next, April 2018 sum. Sum of all first n natural numbers is terms of don't want. First n natural numbers is. Can anyone tell me which numbers are called as natural numbers? Which is the least natural number? Yes, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Since we need sum, we will write plus in between. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and so on. Now write value of A, D, N, Sn. A is equal to 1. D is equal to 1. How many terms? N terms. In place of N only you have to write. What you have to do? Find the sum. Sn is equal to how much? Did you recall the formula? Write it. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Wrote it correctly? Next, n by 2 into 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into 1. 2 ones are 2. 1 into n. 1 into 1 minus negative sign. N by 2 into 2 plus n minus 1. What is the last answer you got? N into n plus 1 divided by 2. N into n plus 1 divided by 2. I hope you have completed. Let us take a break.